Everybody, welcome back to another video. This is day 103.5 of my coding journey. So I mentioned in the last video that there may be another video of me working on my weather app if I got the time. So here I go, found the time, and yeah, I'm excited. I really want to try to add this like loading spinner whenever I'm fetching the data. So let's get started. So I did decide I am going to use React spinners to try this out. Hopefully it works. I chose 3 that I really like. So I liked not that one. I like the 3 dots, and I like tailspin, and also the rotating square. But the only thing about the rotating square is like I said, I'm just trying to set a timeout for 1 second. So this animation seems a little bit longer than 1 second, so I don't know if this is going to be a good fit for it, but it's still worth a try. Let's get started. So first things first, I gotta install it. I'll copy this, and oh, before I do that, I actually want to show you guys. So ignore the styling on my weather app. I'm trying to get the functionality to work first before I focus on styling it. I did do a little bit of styling just to set everything in place, and that way, you know, it won't be confusing. But overall, I mean, it works okay. So whenever I search any city, shows all the dates, the highs and the lows, got the icons, and it's any city in the world. So we got Dubai, we can do Paris, we can do Las Vegas. Like any city in the world, it shows the highs and the lows for 7 days. So yeah, it works perfect. But I do want to add, you know, this loading spinner. I also want to add some validation, so whenever I type in just gibberish, instead of it going back to this screen, I want it to show like no city found. And also, like whenever I'm not searching, you see these 2 sections, it shows. I want to fix that as well. And background as well, it gotta get fixed. I don't know, the styling just don't look right in my opinion. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this and Control C and Control V. Let's go ahead and install that. All right, so hopefully this works. Like I said, I learned how to do the text, like just put loading on the screen. I never really did it with like a React library like this, so but I think it's kind of similar, so I'm hopefully it is. All right, so before I get started, just want to do a quick record check, and we are good to go. All right, so we're gonna need to set some state. So I'm gonna do a const let's do it loading, and I'm gonna do is loading, set loading, and then use state gonna be false. Oh, forgot the equals. I'm about to say, wait, what? Did I already break it? All right, so use state false. Go back to my weather app, and before I do that, let's go get the one that we want. So I'm gonna try let's go down the list. I'm gonna try the rotating squares first. This is the code I'm gonna need. All right, so let's do the delay first. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. So if E key equals enter, so I don't know if if it's enter, I want to set loading to true, and then no, I don't think that's gonna work. I think I have to do the set timeout around all of this. No, that don't make sense. Because if I put the set timeout around all of it, it gotta go inside this if key. That's definitely all right. So yeah, it gotta go inside I said if key. Did I just say if key? Or the if statement. So when we press enter, we want set loading to be true. And then so console, this is me fetching my data. So now I want to do the set timeout. And this takes a function. And then in here, I'm going to add all of this. I think. Let's test it out. Let's do 5 seconds. I mean, yeah, 5 seconds. 5,000. And let's see. Well, now when I search. Nope, it didn't work. Wait, did I refresh? Yep, I gotta refresh. Forgot that I had the Control C to add the React spinner. All right, let this load. Dude, my computer's so slow now. It's crazy. Ever since I start like coding and have all these projects and stuff on my page, and I'm on page on my computer, stuff just been going so slow. I think I really need to upgrade to a M1 Mac. But I just got this one in 2021. See, I knew something was gonna flip up. All right, so I don't think I can put. Wait, I don't think I can put a wait func. Oh. I think I gotta put a sync here. Now it should work. Do I have to take a sync off of this one? Let's test it out. Ooh, it worked. Nice. Okay. Nice. All right. So let's go to 1 second and goodbye. Nice. That's exactly what I want. So in here, I gotta set loading to false, because so whenever we press enter, we set it to true. Then our set timeout function runs, and then it fetches the data, blah blah blah. So I don't think. So let's see something. So Raleigh. Please 1 second. Okay. All right. Nice. All right. So we got that, and now time to do some testing. Before I add this animation, I'm gonna try to do it with just the text, because that's the way I was taught in my Udemy course. So we got to do so loading, and then do itinerary. So if it's loading, we do a H1. Wait, why is it showing like that? Am I doing this right? So if it's loading, maybe I gotta put this in parentheses. Okay. See if it works though. So if it's loading, we do a H1 hello. And then if it's not, we return all of this. Let's just see. It's worth a try. It's worth a try. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, this is definitely not gonna work. What the hell did I do? All right, let's go back. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. All right, let's go back. Let's see what we did wrong here. Maybe I have to initialize. Okay, let's save it. So I got 2 errors. I don't like seeing that. Yeah. So loading. So if it's loading, if it's that, maybe we gotta return. I don't think you do that. Huh. Okay. Now I'm stuck. I write these all the time. I know this is how you do it. So you put load in question mark, or do I have to go in parentheses? So this one has parentheses. So load in question mark. I don't think it's like that though. But we can see. I don't think it's like that. So loading question mark. You can do a div. And then do a h1 and hello. If it's that, then if it's not, okay. Something's up. I'm doing something wrong. So if it's loading, pick off these. And maybe put this in parentheses like that. Okay. Really gotta check this out. Alright. You know what? Just search it up actually. So let's do is loading React. Is loading React. Axios. Interesting. I just want to see how to do it conditionally. It has, okay, here we go. So maybe I have to put, okay. All right, let's try that. All right, so let's try set of, let's do set loading. Okay, I should be able to put load in. Loading and maybe, oh, I'm so stupid. Oh my god. Oh man. Did I break my site? My site's broken. Where are we at? 68. Go all the way back. Alright, you know what? Let's fix it. I don't know what the hell. It's messing up my code now. I think you just put div here. All right. Test it back out. Raleigh, 1 second. All right, so everything looks good. Let me just fix this up. I know what I did wrong. So I tried to put it at the top here, and the way JSX works is, for me to do that, I think I would have to put like a fragment surrounding it. Like you can't start off with that, I don't think. So I think if I put it inside this container, so I do want this. So whenever I search, I want these two boxes to disappear and then start the search, but I want my input to stay there. So I'm gonna start it here, and I swear I really hope this works, because if it don't, I want to get really mad. All right, so loading question mark. Oh, that's a sign, because that question mark wasn't, wait, was it blue? All right, so loading question mark. I'm gonna do an H1 of hello, no, of just loading for now. Dot dot dot. And so if it's loading, it's gonna return H1 with loading, and then else it should return all of these two boxes there. So that's all the way for this div to this one here. I think I didn't do that right. Hold on. Loading that. All right, I see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so yeah. Whew, okay. All right, I gotta see how we're gonna do this, because this div is what if I add a fragment? Will it work? I'm gonna add a fragment around all of this, and then have this closing at the fragment. That work? Oh, did I fix it? There we go. Nice. Ah, let's go. All right, so cool. Now we gotta figure out how to put the spinner, or the icon. So whenever we search, we get a 1 second delay loading, but for some reason it's still showing. I wonder if I switch it around. So whenever I press enter, I'm gonna have to change. I'm gonna take this out of the set timeout and put it up here, because let me just go back and show for you guys what I'm talking about. So right now, whenever I search, you see how it says Raleigh? Still showing Raleigh in the search. I don't want that there. I want it to be an empty string. So I'm gonna try this and put it outside of the set timeout. And let's see if that works. Raleigh. To another city. Goodbye. Now I should. Yep, perfect. Alright. And fix that up a little bit. Alright. We got all of that. Nice. Alright, everything looks good. And now let's add the spinner. So I think all I do is replace this with the spinner. So let's see. Copy. And I think I'm gonna have to put it in a div. I'm gonna organize this code too. I just want to see if this works. So rotating, okay. I think I have to import it. Where do I? Okay, here we go. I gotta import it. So instead of audio, I gotta import rotating square. All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's go. Nice. I'm not gonna choose that one though. Yeah, because like I said, that 1 second, you can't even see the animation. So what I'm gonna do is probably go with the 3 dots because I think that would be better. But like I said, it might change in the future depending on my styling and stuff. So I gotta copy that and there. All right. Okay, let's try this out. All right, so Raleigh. There we go. That is perfect. That's, oh my god, that is perfect. Just change the color maybe. See what color I'm using in my index. Like I said, the styling is gonna be different anyway, but I should change the color to this for now. And let's test it out. Goodbye. Yep, that looks nice. That looks really nice. Paris. Nice. What I might do is actually get rid, because it looks a little funky whenever I search and then it shows the search city there. So what I might do is actually start it before the input and just show those like it's searching. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is copy all of this and put it at the top of this. I'm probably screwing everything up right now. I might take off this fragment and cut that and then paste it. Where are we at? So I think I'm gonna have to create another fragment in here. So to hold all of this stuff in. Thank God for fragments, man. Thank God for fragments. All right, so it's gonna go right underneath here. I'm gonna organize the code and stuff later. And that should work. All right, so let's see how it looks now. So Raleigh. Nice. Huh. Now I'm just thinking of ideas every time. So what if I add searching to it? You know what I'm saying? So like whenever I search, so it'd be like Raleigh and then maybe like searching at the top. Or maybe that's a little bit too much. I don't know. I think that's a little bit too much. So what else? I'm just searching up the same cities every day. Every time I search. I think that looks nice. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. Let's do New York. Yeah, I think that looks nice. I think that's really it. I think next video I might try to add some validation. I have a general idea how to do it. I might try it. How much time do I got? So I might try some validation now. trying to see how I would do it. So I know I would have to use state, do error, set error, and I would have to change my async function to use try and catch, and then I'll have to change I'll have to change this ternary operator to another one actually. So whenever there's an error, I'm gonna have to save that for next video because that might take me a while to get. But yeah, I added the spinner. It's really easy. Do I remember when I used to look at stuff like this and thought it was like so hard? Like I'm trying to think of one thing that I thought was really hard and I found out it was easy. It was actually a few. So one of them was the little design on the headers and sections, like how people be having like waves on like their sections and headers and stuff like that. I always thought that was like the hardest thing to do, but it's so easy, man. And this as well, like adding little spinners. And I'm definitely gonna, like, whenever I create my portfolio site, I want all my stuff to be custom. Like I want my portfolio site to be so nice. I've been doing a lot of research lately, like off camera, like just doing so much research, and I'm trying to start up a wireframe here soon of how I want it. I'm just gonna take different parts of like nice portfolios that I've seen and like try to just make a really nice portfolio. I'm saying all of this and it's probably be average. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best, and I'm definitely gonna add like stuff like this, like a spinner, but I want it to be like custom, like maybe have like a rotating A or something. I think it would be really easy to do because I didn't know it was this easy to do stuff like this. I can't think of another city. But yeah, so we got it working. You know, since we're here and I got a couple more minutes, we might as well try a few more and see how they look. But so far the 3 dots it's what I'm going with. So I still haven't tried tailspin, so let's try this one. And the cool thing is all I have to do is paste and go up here and then tailspin, then it works. So go back to Raleigh. Tailspin is okay. I like that. That could be an alternative, but so far 3 dots. And one that I really wanted to try, the gimmick fidget spinner. So let's see how this looks. And we gotta import it. Fidget. Don't get me wrong, this shit right here would be probably so hard with Vanilla.js. React just makes stuff like this easy. So, and I do plan on using React until it dies. So I'm like, React is by far, it's so amazing, man. I started learning React January 1st, and like I learned so much in the last few months. So yeah, React is just amazing. All right, let's go back to Dubai. And there's our fidget spinner. That's nice. It's actually not that bad. Talked all that crap about it. Just needs some color changes maybe. And the cool thing is you can change the background color and the little balls on the inside. So that's not bad at all actually. And yeah, I think that's really it. I'm gonna go back to my 3 dots. And in this video, it's actually quicker than I thought. Just been teaching myself a bunch of stuff lately and staying on top of things. Alright, Raleigh. Yep, there we go. Now I gotta change the color back, but I'll do that off camera. But yeah, so that's it. That is day 103.5, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow might most likely be like a short video. If I got the time, I'll probably work on my React project, And yeah, peace out, guys. See you guys tomorrow.